Good morning.
Hello. Hi, good morning, guys. Hope you guys doing good. Please confirm once you're able to see my screen. Okay, would you like to ask any doubts related to the previous sessions that we have?
Sir, while opening BP, it not showing the any groupings.
Fine.
Can you open the BP screen once?
Okay, click onto this organization.
Okay.
Here we can see grouping. Okay, what was the grouping reference that you have created?
SAMS, sir. But it is not showing for me. Sir, in a create BP, you are getting 5 zeros, no? 5 zeros business partner.
Yes, this is general data.
But I am getting only business partner only.
Okay, select this. Okay. After, okay, I believe in this grouping, you might have missed out the this business partner roles. Okay, let's get into this. /o SPRO reference IMG. Of application business partner basic settings roles define BP role. Okay, let's see the groupings. Define BP roles grouping. Here we have SAMC, Sai Automobiles Motor Corporation. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I double click on this grouping roles, there should be roles, right? Finance role, customer role. If I double click on this, you have the standard one, which is ZPFL7, which is for sales customer. This is for the finance customer. It's already available. So what we can do is select this. Once this is the business partner, right? I'll select this. Let's make this as maintain all this data. Enter. The rest tabs we can skip. Now click on to this check mark. So data for business partner is okay. We can save this. So we got a BP reference as 9000801. Now the same business partner, this needs to be extended to the various roles. Like I'll go to the change mode. Let's extend this business partner to finance area, which is ZPFLC, which is finance customer. Select this. Click onto this company code tab. Try to maintain the reconciliation account reference. Maintain any reference like socket 001. Here we can see an error GL account is not GL account did not maintain. So we need to maintain this GL account. Will you try?
Telling GL account is not maintained for 1710, no, sir.
Okay.
Our
so
company code is 109100.
Thank you. Let's close this. Click onto this company code or switch company code tab. Maintain here company code as Sai Automobiles Corporation Company. Enter. Okay.
9100 sir.
Select this, delete it. Let's maintain this as let's say MC not available in the system. Adopt. Okay. Cancel. Which company code? Company code SHMC doesn't exist. Company code 9100, right?
Yeah.
This is the company code which you have created.
Yes.
Now maintain the reconciliation account reference. Sort key. Enter. No. This GL account does not exist for the 9100. Will you try from your end? Shall I make it now?
I will try, sir.
Fine. Lavanya,
Sir, I send one screenshot now. Once, can you open it in WhatsApp?
okay, this session is being recorded. Okay, tell me what
Okay,
session?
after this session, we will see it.
Fine. Okay, Lavanya, is there any note from at your end?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Would you like to ask any doubts? Are you facing any challenges in the execution part? Okay, fine. We'll see later. In today's session, please confirm once you're able to see my screen. In today's session, we'll try to execute an OTC process, which is an end-to-end cycle. Means we'll start processing from inquiry to quotation, order creation, delivery processing, and billing. Once billing is done, there will be post order processing, which will be like services. Okay. Post sales will be like complaints and services. Complaints, which could be written order, any damage, or anything. Once we had written order, based on that, we'll be having certain references like credit notes, credit returns, or that could be a debit return, anything. Written order, written delivery, and credit returns. We'll try to execute this complete cycle. /n. In order to execute this cycle, we need to have master data. We have already customer reference business partner as 900903. Let me cross check once. VCUSD sales organization 9200. Execute. We have here reference 901, 902, 903. Okay. We can select either of these. Then we need to have material, right? I have material as, let me check material as well. /n MMPE plant 9200. Execute. Okay, do you remember what's the material difference in our previous session? Okay, P125. Okay, here this material we have 0 stock in our inventory. There is 0. So we'll come to this stock maintaining for this material in later sessions. We can skip as of now customer material information record, and we have the price for this material in the system as 100. Now with this master data, let's try creating an inquiry /n VA11 inquiry type IN transaction code VA11. If in case we don't remember this transaction code, we can navigate via easy access /n logistics sales and distribution, sales, inquiry, we can see a transaction code BA11. Double click on this, type IN, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Enter. Okay, we have customer reference of 9000903. OTC, cycle, reference date, 31st, material P125, quantity 1. Enter. Okay, no pricing procedure could be determined. I think we have fixed this. Let me cross check once again. Okay, here we have Y1. Okay, by default, it has to be A here. Let me show you. We'll come to this customization. Okay, this documents inquiry, quotation, order type. For this type of customization, we'll see at later part. As of now, let me fix this. We go V8. Click on to position. Document type IN inquiry. Select it. Click on to details. Here, document pricing procedure, it has to be by default A, which is standard. Inquiry, right? Save it. Let's get back to our inquiry area. Enter. Let's try creating again /n BA11. Order types, inquiry type IN, customer reference date, material, quantity, enter. Here, as of now, let's ignore this error. Hit enter. Click on to edit. Select incompletion log. Terms of payment missing. Go back. Click on to the sales tab. Here we have payment terms. Let's maintain these payment terms as 0001. Enter it and save it. We have inquiry reference 1000199. Sorry, 119. 199. Now with this same inquiry, let's try creating a quotation via transaction code VA21 and type will be QT. /n VA21. Type QT. Enter. Sorry. We have inquiry reference, right, which is preceding document. With that preceding document, we can create a quotation. Means click on to icon create with reference. Here we can maintain our inquiry reference. This is the inquiry number. Click on to continue. What are all data that we have created, that we have maintained in the inquiry, that will be pulled into this quotation or fetched into the quotation document. Okay, no pricing will be determined. Let me fix this one also. Okay, same Vivo B8. I'll go back here. QT. Click on to details. Here it has to be standard A. Enter and save it. Let's try creating again quotation. Creating with reference icon. /n create with reference. Maintain the inquiry number. Click on to copy. Here we can see all the data which is available in the which we maintained in the inquiry, that will be fetched into the quotation document. I'll maintain the reference OTC cycle, customer reference, item, and quantity. We can see here price as well. Sorry, value, and this is the item price. Okay, let's click onto this edit icon, check for incompletion. Okay, let's maintain the periods, validity period, valid till 15th of August. Enter. Ignore this error. Let's try saving it. Now, a quotation has been successfully created with reference 20001,995. Now, with this quotation reference, let's try creating an order. N VA01. Order type OR. Click onto this icon, create with reference. We have quotation reference, right? Let's maintain this. Click onto copy, maintain OTC cycle, date. As we can see here, master data, which is business partner, material, quantity, and price has been fetched from the preceding document, which is quotation. We can see here overview screen, header details, item details, and schedule and category. Hope you are aware about this screens. If not, I'll try to explain again. Okay, let's go back. Click onto this edit option. Check for incompletion log. Document is complete. Let's save this. Now we have a standard order 5661. Okay. Into this three documents which we have created, is there any doubt? Prithvi, Lavanya?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is the sales part which is done. Now moving on to the logistics part. Once order is created, that needs to be delivered to the customer. So we need to proceed for the delivery via transaction code VL01N. VL01N. In case if you don't remember this transaction code, how we can navigate is go to the easy access screen, logistic execution, outbound process, sorry, goods issue, outbound delivery, create single document here. If you want to go for multiple documents, then we can have other transaction codes as well. You can see here, click onto this node. You can see all these transactions. We'll come to this transaction codes at later part. Let's try creating one single document with reference to sales order via transaction code VL01N. Double click on this. We have shipping point as 9200, delivery date, order number, and here delivery type will be LF, which is standard. Enter. We can see here only zero quantity of material is available. An item with no delivery quantity is not permitted and it will be deleted. Any idea about this? Why this error is? Prithvi, Lavanya, ఏదైనా ఐడియా ఉందా ఇది ఎందుకు ఇస్తుంది ఇలా?
మెటీరియల్స్ లేవు అని చెప్పి చెప్తుంది సార్.
Okay, let's dive into this case material. If I try to maintain certain stock for this material, we'll face certain challenges. Means, okay, let me try maintaining. Now, how are we going to maintain the stock? To maintain stock, we have transaction code NEGO. Okay, I'll go to the transaction MIGO, nation MIGO, enter. Here, click on to the option goods receipt. Make this option R10 others. Here, let's maintain our material reference P125. This is the material that we would like to have certain stock. Click on to quantity tab. Let's maintain 100 pieces. Okay. Then click onto this tab where maintain the moment type as 561, which is nothing but initial entry of stock. Okay. Plant we have 9200 and storage location 9200. Enter. Now this is the item that we would like to have in our stock. Okay, 100 pieces. Click on this checkbox. We can see here no stock posting is possible for the material. To fix this case, we have transaction code OMS2. Click on to position. This is the first material, which is finished product. Select this finished product. Click on to this value updating quantity. Click on to position. We have 9200. This is the valuation area for our company code. Check this two boxes. Click on to save. Okay, data was saved. Let's go back to this Migo transaction Migo screen. Again, hit enter. Click onto this checkbox. Now this is one more entry. We need to maintain. Basically, it's a configuration part from the side. Now let's maintain this OMRG nation OM. Select this company code, copy as. Let's maintain this company code as 9200. Enter and save it. This is the second error. Let's move on to this Migo screen. Click onto this checkbox again. We can see here, check table entry 15992 does not exist. Okay, let's try creating again transaction N MIGO. Material, quantity, plant, and location. Click onto checkbox. Check table entry 159 entry doesn't exist. Okay. Slash N OMWD 9200 valuation area. Let's maintain this as 0001 valuation group code and save it. This is third error. Basically, third configuration which needs to be done from the set. Click onto this checkbox again. Table entry 159. Okay, inventory management, physical inventory. National SPRO, reference ING, inventory management, physical inventory, things for physical inventory, plant parameters. Plant parameters. Okay. Select this, copy. Let's maintain plant parameters. Our reference 9200. Enter and save it. This is the fourth configuration from the site. Let's go back. This is the Vigo screen. Close this. Click on the checkbox. Okay. Now this is one more error which needs to be fixed. 7920 OM deputy nation OM deputy enter the counter positions into 000001 is okay. Slash on MIGO material quantity enter check. Okay, this is the sixth error. We need to maintain the GL account. Select this reference 719, copy, go to transaction code FS00. Okay, we have company code 9200. Click on to with template. We'll copy this GL account from the existing company code. Let's assume we have 0001 existing company code. Okay, from this 0001, we are copying this account reference to our company code. Okay. Data has already captured from the existing one. Click on to this check icon and save it. We are done with the GL account for the material management inventory. Let's go back to Miko screen. Check. Now document is okay. Let's try to post this document. We can see here material ledger is not protected for the any violation of the company code. Let's fix this. Material ledger. Yeah. Nation OMX file. Click on to position. We have valuation area 9200. We can see here 9200 is not active. Let's try activating this slash and OMX 2 0001. Go back OMX 3 slash and click on to position. Okay, we don't have our valuation area in this material ledger. So what we can do is select the standard one, copy as. Let's mention the valuation as 9200. Material ledger, we didn't find 9000. Okay, let's cancel this. Material ledger 9,000. Let me go back to transaction code OMX Pro. Define material ledger. We don't have. Okay, we have 9,000. Okay, we can use this standard 9,000. Now this 9,000 needs to be assigned to this our company code OMX 3. Click on to new entries. We have valuation area 9200. Material ledger type 9,000. Okay, now we can see the status here. It's green, allowed. Save this. Data was saved. Now let's go back to the Amigo screen. Check, try posting. We can see here still ML is not productive. Let's try activating this. N OMX O, sorry, N OMX 1. Click on to position 9200. Here we can see the status is allowed. Now let's try /n CKM start 9200. Click on to execute. It's attractive. Okay. Natural OMX 3. National OMX 9200. Select active. Okay, help option is not available. Let's maintain this as so. Enter and save it. After activating material ledger, live data must be converted. Fine. Okay. Now we need to run the CKM start /n CKM start. This is the plant. Execute. Okay. Select the option start immediately. Confirm. Continue. The job production startup for user as active. Okay. Now go to this transaction code /n OBY C, sorry, OBY6 /n OBY6 9200. Select our company code. Click on to details. Here, company code is productive. Check mark activities and save it. Let's go back to Migo screen. Click onto this checkbox. Click on to post. Okay, still it did not got activated. /n MICO plan, storage location, quantity, material. Enter. Click on to checkbox. Post it. Memory is not for final version error 9200. This is not the version keyword. Okay. Perform the material ledger startup using that. Okay, CKM start. One. Nation OMX 3. Okay. Nation CM start. Check. Content of it. Content of it. Mission is about content. Long for limitations. Not scenarios. While through trying to activate the extent in accounting, controlling, nation, accounting, controlling, product cost controlling, actual costing, environment, production startup. Okay. Okay, we'll reconnect with the same meeting link, please.